another slow week is been. Couldn't do much this week, but definitely the week would end good because I took this buy trade on 50 index. Got my entries at this point. My TP1 and TP2 has been smashed, which I still expect more buys to my TP3 in the coming minutes and hours, and long-term buys still expected on this index in the coming days. This trade signal was shared to my signal group. Trust me, you wouldn't want to miss out on my fair trade signals and on the higher probability trade setups I share. To join my Telegram channel, link is in this video description and is pinned on this video comment section, so click to join and don't miss out. So analyzing this index, what now is this buy opportunity? I started my analysis from the daily time frame. We identified this bullish market structure this index has been on in the past days. As we can see when we zoom in closely to this current market structure, this index has been on a bullish phase in the past days and weeks here, but overall this index has been bearish. It's been on a long bearish run for months and weeks, with series of lower highs and series of lower lows. This is the big bearish structure the market has been on since, let's check the dates. This bearish structure started since 24th of December to date. This index has been bearish, about 9 months of bearish run. Yeah, so I expect this index to gain value, a change of market structure basically, because when we move to the weekly time frame charts, we'll see that price approached a low, a major low basically, where we had these reversals from. This was in 2021. We had this bullish reversal at this point. Price pushed up, consolidated for a while, then we had this bullish run, and currently price has approached this low where we got the major reversal from, this bullish reversal here. So it's likely that we have to see a long-term bullish reversal on this index in the coming months and weeks. Possibly the coming year is likely to be bullish year on this index here. So back to the daily time frame chart, I spotted this structure, which is a clear bullish structure where the market created series of higher lows and series of higher highs. So I expect price to continue this bullish move here, being that price has broken above this historical level of resistance. Looking at the past reactions we've got on this level, price bought as a support, sold resistance. So there has been a break of this level, which price has already retested it. Let's little retest on a lower time frame. So the bullish continuation is expected, and a low has been formed at this point. It's more like a double bottom formation formed on the daily time frame chart, so the bullish reversal is very likely. So on the 4 time frame chart, I identified this structure, as you can see clearly, spotting out the highs and lows of got on this bullish structure, having this to be the first low, second low, higher low, third low, higher low, fourth low, fifth low, higher low, sixth low, and the 7th low, which is expected to be higher low. And that's the point where I took advantage of taking the buys on this index. Also got series of higher highs formed, so this is a clear bullish structure on the 4 time frame chart, in addition to this historical level of resistance that price has been rejecting from. You can see the past reactions, resistance here, resistance, price bought support, support here, it sells, resistance, resistance, and there was a break at this point, break and retest support, price pushed up, having an order block formed at this point, which happens to be my entry point. I waited for price to drop into the base of this order block, which aligns with this historical level of support currently for a buy opportunity, in addition to this trend support level, because on trend lines we have the trend supports and trend resistance level. So this is the trend supports which held on to price here, the buys. So at this point it's expected for price to still buy from this trend support. So these are under confluence and reasons to why I expect the price on this index. So as price dropped into this zone, I stacked up, having my stop loss below the base of this order block. Then boom, price pushed up, as we can see clearly on the 1 hour time frame chart. We are getting more buys, and price is getting very close to my 30 CP, which we could still see more buys to this next highs, to this point, sorry, more buys to this level, and I would still set another CP, which would be my 4th CP at the level of 132.4259, and a break of this level, then we would see long buys to this next zone. Let me clear this off. We'll see long buys to this next highs, which is a historical level of resistance because of God's past histories on this level. Price sold resistance, 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 resistance here. So this is the next target point. Price expected to buy to in the coming hours and days, and a break of this level, then we may get a major bullish reversal on this index, price buying to as high as this zone, level of 254.9281 in the coming months and weeks. Yeah, so that's this, guys. That was able to catch this nice buy trade on the volatility 50 index, regardless of having a very slow week in the market. And hopefully the coming week would be a very good week because the market structures are coming into place. Good profit secured on this buy trade already, and I'm very much safe on the remaining positions that I'm holding, expecting more buys to my 30 CPR. And this trade signal was shared to my signal group. You don't want to miss out on my fair trade signals and all the higher probability trade setups I share. To join my Telegram channel, link is in this video description and is pinned on this video comment section. So click to join and don't miss out. For more trade reviews like this, do to smash the like button, drop a good comment on this video, subscribe to this channel, follow this page and share this video. Thank you guys and do have a wonderful day.